We all have that one friend, or maybe it's you, who turns into a total rock star the second a favorite song comes on. But trying to sing along to a tiny phone speaker just doesn't hit the same. The VOSOCO Karaoke Machine is basically an instant party in a box, designed to take those living room concerts to a whole new level without the hassle of a complicated professional setup. What makes this one a standout is that it comes with 2 wireless microphones. Most portable setups only give you one, which inevitably leads to a discussion over whose turn it is. With 2, you're ready for duets right out of the gate. The speaker itself is surprisingly punchy for its size, and it has echo adjustment, so you can give your voice that professional, velvety stage sound, or just hide the fact that you might be a little off-key. Since it's a Bluetooth PA system, it's not just for karaoke. You can use it as a powerful speaker for a backyard barbecue, a beach day, or even for making announcements at a family reunion. It's incredibly versatile with support for TF cards, USB, and AUX, so you don't even need a phone to keep the music going. Plus, if you're feeling really fancy, the TWS function lets you pair it with a second speaker for a full stereo experience. It's lightweight enough to toss in a bag for travel, making it the perfect companion for anyone who knows that life is just better with a soundtrack. Click the link above to find the best deal and start warming up those vocal cords.